Here's some sewing machine invention trivia. Subscribe. What is the name of the sewing machine firm founded by Elias Howe? Is it A, Singer Sewing Co., B, Howe Machine Company, C, National Sewing Corp., or D, Juki Machines, Inc.? The correct answer is B, Howe Machine Company. Who is credited with the invention of the lockstitch? Is it A, Elias Howe, B, Isaac Singer, C, Henry Ford, or D, Thomas Edison? The correct answer is A, Elias Howe. Which type of machine uses a needle to stitch fabric? Is it A, sewing machine, B, knitting machine, C, bread slicer, or D, carpet maker? The correct answer is A, sewing machine. In which century was the sewing machine invented? Is it A, 18th century, B, 17th century, C, 20th century, or D, 19th century? The correct answer is D, 19th century. Which sewing machine technology uses electric power? Is it A, electric sewing machine, B, manual sewing machine, C, hand crank sewing machine, or D, treadle sewing machine? The correct answer is A, electric sewing machine. What country is Barthelemy Thimonnier from? Is it A, Germany, B, Spain, C, Italy, or D, France? The correct answer is D, France. In what year did Isaac Singer establish his company? Is it A, 1851, B, 1870, C, 1865, or D, 1835? The correct answer is A, 1851. Who is credited with improvements to the sewing machine's design? Is it A, Walter Hunt, B, Henry Ford, C, Thomas Edison, or D, Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is A, Walter Hunt. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.